So you find yourself in the international township known as Oroville. But after the visitors center and a quick meditation at the golden architectural wonder known as the Matrimandir, you want to see and do more. Well, you can. But there is a catch. The majority of information here at Tube Tambi comes from the official Oroville website, and we're here to make sure you have the best Oroville experience possible. There are many Oroville units and facilities ready for walk-in visitors who are interested in learning more about their sustainable and ecological practices. We will talk more about them specifically in another video. In the meantime, you can always get a list from the information desk at the Visitors Center upon your arrival. Today, it's important to note that the majority of Oroville workshops and facilities you may come to know about require that you be a registered guest of Oroville, which means more than just a day trip. It means staying in an official Oroville guest house or homestay, or at the very least, advanced booking directly with the workshop practitioner or hosting facility. Most of these things can be accomplished well in advance just by contacting Oroville Guest Services. There are two offices, one at the Visitors Center and one above the Solar Kitchen for already registered guests. You can find their information by clicking our video here, or by following the links in the description below. In Oroville, there is quite a bit of land to cross when going from one place to the next. There is also an environmental aspect for restricting personal vehicles within the community. So renting a bicycle and carrying lots of water with you is highly recommended. And all the more reason to contact guest services in advance of your visit, especially if you are in need of special assistance. Thank you for stopping by. We're looking forward to your visit. And please remember to subscribe on your way out.